Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to draw a sectional view with just the paint app. So basically, as you can see, already done my foundation, my walls, my hardcore floor joist, which is this is the hardcore steps, which isn't complete, but we are going to complete it. So first we're going to draw another line on top of this. We have a step, which is step down, concrete floor, step down, which means go from this part, then you go up. So now here is the step. So you see, this is the step. From this part we go up to this part. That's how it is. So after doing that, we are going to clean this line over here, this, since they are of the same material. Drawing in sectional drawing, the concrete passes through the wall, so there's no need for this line and this line, so we are going to clean both of them. Now we've gotten a straight which line, it's kind of like a Z. So after doing that, we're going to put our wall plates at these two parts. Wall plates, they are wooden members on which the rafters rest, which are almost in every building with roofs. We're going to put our rafters there. Our wall plates. So now we have our wall plates. Next, we're going to put our rafters on it. You just need to stand at any point, then you draw a line. Then you draw a line for it. Touch this part, the end point of the wall plate down. I'm going to do the same for this part. Yes. Now what you are about to do, now we are going to put our lines on our hardcore. Since it's a sectional view, hardcores have a kind of zigzag design on them to indicate that they are hardcore. Now what you need to do is go to this part, click this, the line, place it over here, go up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down repeatedly. This part is not part of the hardcore, remember, it's a step down, it's a concrete floor slab. So the hardcore will be at this part and this down part. So if you do that, this is what you'll be getting. Sorry, it went out a little bit. So now we've drawn our hardcore. So the next step, what to do, we're going to design our doors and walls. So basically, you take the triangle, put it at this end and draw it to this end to get this thing over here. But this thing is representing a lintel. The lintel can be found in only the walls, not in an empty space, so you need to clean all these things from there. I know it's very difficult, but you have to bear with it. Now you clean it nicely. This is what we're getting. And from our section, you can tell this part has a window, this has a door, this is an open space from which we enter. So you need to draw a line, a sectional view of a door over here, of a window here, and that of a door at this part. Then you clean this part. So in order to do that, keep the triangle come here, so come here, draw a straight line, black a triangle to that towards that part, like this. After I've gotten this out, so I need to clean it. Yes. Now after you've done this, you then take the triangle. So now this part, get something like this. Now you've gotten the what do you call it? The section view of the window. Wait. So after you do that, you get a section view. So now we are going to clean this part. Since it's an empty space, free space where you're going to enter, we're going to clean it. So this is what you'll be getting. Then you do what I told you with the triangle, draw it over here, do it. Do the same for the door. I think it came out a bit. Now we've gotten it. So now basically what you are left it with, first section are walls, the floor slab, the foundation, and finish the window. We're going to continue that now next video, so stay tuned till next time. Bye bye.